Okay, we're moving on to Algebra Set L. Easier than the previous 10 sets that we did. Let's solve question 1. Solve for x. Okay. One. So go step by step, write down the first equation, x plus 4 is equal to 8. So remember, x is on one side of the equal to sign and non-x is on the other side. So first step is take the 4 onto the other side. And when you take it on the other side, it becomes -4. And I've explained to you in my previous videos why it becomes -4, because you're subtracting 4 on both sides. So when you subtract 4 on both sides, yeah, -4 and -4, this cancels out. So you're left with x, and 8 minus 4 is here on the right side. Okay, so therefore x is equal to 4. Easy peasy. 2. I mean A and B. Okay, B. X minus 5 is equal to 9. So x is equal to 9 plus 5. Therefore, x is 14. See, x is equal to 39. D. X is equal to 34 minus 12. So that's 22. Oh, let me write down. Therefore, x is 22. You got a -2x and x. So remember, x is on one side of equal sign, non-x is on the other side. So, excuse me. So you got x plus 2x, yeah? Because -2x goes on to the other side, becomes positive 2x, which is equal to 9. Therefore, 3x is equal to 9. Therefore, x is equal to 3, because you divide 3 on both sides, and you get 3 goes in non-3 terms, and you got x equal to 3. F. Okay, 2x is equal to 8 plus x, so 2x minus x is equal to 8. Therefore, x is equal to 8. Now remember, for those who are new to this, remember x on its own means 1x. So we don't write 1x. It's understood it's 1x, okay? So 2x minus 1x is x. All right. GHRJ. 9x minus 3x is equal to 6. Therefore, 6x is equal to 6. Therefore, x is equal to 1, because you divide both sides by 6. 6 and 6 goes. So why are we dividing both sides by 6 is because we want to find x and not 6x. Had they asked to find 6x, then 6x would be 6. But then we have to find x, so we got to get rid of this 6. And hence we divide 6. Now we can't just divide 6 on one side of the equal sign. We need to divide 6 on both sides. So to maintain the integrity of the equation, yeah, we need, whatever we do to one side of the equal sign, we need to do the same thing on the other side of the equal sign. Okay. H. 4x minus 2x, where's it gone? Yeah, is equal to 8. Therefore, 2x is equal to 8. Divide 2 on both sides. And therefore, you got x is equal to 4. All right. 9 plus 7. 7 goes on to the other side. And you guys must be wondering that, how about this? Why don't we do minus 8x, take 8x on the other side, and then you get minus 7 and minus 9. Yeah, you can do that way also. Doesn't matter. Negative goes, so you got 8x is equal to 16. Divide both sides by 8, and therefore x is equal to 2. So this one is therefore 16 is equal to 8x. Divide 8 on both sides. And you got 2 is equal to x. X is equal to 2. 2 is equal to x. Both are the same thing. And then finally J. So 40 minus 15 is equal to 5x. 25 therefore is equal to 5x. Divide both sides by 5, and therefore you got x is equal to 5. 5 goes in 25 5 times. That was pretty easy compared to the other sets. Right. Moving on to question number 2. Simplify these fractions. So break it down. You got to learn how to break it down. 3 by 30 is 1 by 10, but we're going to break it down. Yeah, 30 is 3 times 10. 3 and 3 goes. Remember, this 3 usually has a 1, but we really don't bother writing 1. It's understood. It's 1 on the top. When you cancel out something, it doesn't become 0. It does not become 0. So remember, it's 1. Excuse me. If you're confused, then write 1. 4 by 24. So 24 is 6 times 4. 4 and 4 goes. So it's 1 by 6. 9 by 81 is 1 by 9 because 81 is 9 times 9. 8 by 64 is 1 by 8 because 64 is 8 times 8. And this is 6 times 7. So it's 1 by 6. That one is 3 times 7 over 3. So it is 7. That one is 15 times 3 over 15. So it's 3. That one, remember your multiples of 13, yeah? Very important because 13 is a prime number and it's very difficult to figure out. Yeah. What two numbers add up, multiply to 91. So if you know your multiples of 13, you'll get this answer quickly. Right. 72 and 144. So I know 144 is twice 72. So it is simply 2 times 72. Yeah, that's half. Right. 45 and 63. So I can write down. I know they're multiples of 9. So it's 9 fives and 9 sevens are. 9 sevens are. 9 sevens are. See, it is confusing. Yeah, 9 sevens are. So because it is confusing, so what we do is we break down 45. If you add up the digits of 45, yeah, it's a 9. So we know it's a multiple of 3. 63, 6 plus 3 is 9. We know it's a multiple of 3. It's a multiple of 9 as well, right? So I'm going to start with 3, all right? So 3 times 15 is 45. And this is 3 times 21 is 63. 3 and 3 goes. 15, I can write it down as 3 times 5. 21, I can write down as 3 times 7. And therefore, my answer is 507. Or if you know your multiple of 9, it'll be 9 times 5 over 9 times 7. Easy peasy. Simplify the following expression. Question number 3, very easy. Treat them as numbers, adding and subtracting numbers. The only thing is to split the variable. Yeah. So what is 9 plus 3? 12. So 12a. All right. Since the letters are the same, this doesn't matter. Add them, subtract them as normal 16, normal single digit, double digit numbers, add them, subtract them. So 8 and 3, it's 5 because 8 minus 3 is 5, and then p. 8u plus this is 1u. So remember, u on its own is 1u, so it's 9u. That is simply a. That is 7l. That is, do the math. 34 plus 6 is 40. 6 plus 3, so that's 9j. Okay, righto. This is addition, so it is 38m. This is 3y. This is 7r. And this is 60. Couldn't get easier. Simplify these fractions. Oh, question 2 and 4 are the same. Okay, yeah, no, it's not the same. Why you got a variable out here? So again, what if it was just 4 by 16? If it was only 4 by 16, I know 4 times 4 is 16. 4 and 4 cancels, right? So it would have been 1 by 4, but the only thing is it's with the a. So we write down 1 by 4a or a over 4. They both mean the same thing. Got it? And then 72 is 9 times 7. And then don't forget the p upon 9. 9 and 9 goes, so it's 7p. Yeah? And then this is 1 over 5m. So this time the variables is at the bottom, so leave it at the bottom. All right. Oh, now you got two letters. Wow. So treat them as 16, A, and 2 and P. So A and P, always B is there because there's nothing to cancel A and P. So 16 and 2 becomes 8. So it's 8 times A upon P, or you can simply write down as 8A over P. It's all the same. That is R over 2 because 23 goes into 46 two times. Yeah. Or you could have written down as 1 over 2 times R. Again, same thing. Don't get confused. Half R or R upon 2. Same thing. 34 cancel. So it's not 0j. It is 1j or simply just j. Remember that. Simply j. 22 goes into 88 4 times. You got L upon R. Now, some people like to have that, the dash as a cross dash, and it's the same thing. It just doesn't matter. It's like, writing 9081 like this, or 9081 with a, slant dash. Same thing, doesn't matter. Right, so 56 upon 72, so I'll rewrite it, yeah? So I'll write it down over here. I have lots of space out here. So 56 upon 72 t. Now, obviously, I know they are multiples of 8, but those who, do not know your multiplication table, what you got to do is, yeah, treat it as, treat it as even numbers. So 56 is 2 times 28. 72 is 2 times 36. Don't forget the t. 2 goes. Now 28 is 2 times 14. 36 is 2 times 18. Don't forget the t. 2 goes. 14 is 2 times 7. And 18 is 2 times 9. And don't forget the t. And so your final answer is 7 over 9t. Or if you know your multiple of 8, it would be 8 times 7 upon 8 times 9t. 8 and 8 goes here. I've got 7 upon 9t immediately. And this one I'll write down over here in this block out here. 80 and 50 is 8 upon 5 and n at the bottom. Remember, n is at the bottom. Right? Right? Because 80 is 8 times 10, 50 is 5 times 10, 10 and 10 cancels. You got 8 upon 5n. Easy peasy. And with that, I think one more question remaining. Yeah. 4 upon 80 is simply 1 upon 2e. Okay? No explanations for this. 4 upon 8 is half. So half and then e. So you must be wondering that, now, can you write it down like this? No, this is not the same. 1 upon 2e is not the same as half e, right? But e upon 2 is the same thing as half e, all right? These two are the same, but these two are not the same. They're not the same. Remember, half e means e upon 2. So half e is half times e. So half times e upon 1, like that. right? So that is half E, or simply E upon 2. Yeah. So 1 upon 2E. So how else can you write 1 upon 2E? So it can be written as half times 1 by E. Half times 1 by E is 1 upon 2E. Got it? Yeah. So understand the difference. Very important. We don't learn it properly in our middle school years, and it just adds, you know, keeps on adding, piling up until you see it again in high school or degrees, college, whenever. Like a baggage. Learn it properly. Learn it from me. Cheers. That's it for Algebra Set L and JKLMN. Next video will be Algebra Set N solutions. Right. Um, yeah. As I said, the videos are there on the YouTube channel. Look for the playlist Math Middle School, and you'll have all these videos in a sequence. Right. Now, I might not be able to now add the quiz. Yeah. I've done it for the first 10 sets of algebra, but um, um, the quiz is account is restricted to 10 to 20 quizzes. So um, if I keep adding the quiz, then I'll have to delete the previous one. So I'll just won't add any more quizzes. Yeah. Right then. Yes, you will get these handouts, these worksheets as a link in the description. Thank you.